Who is that?
Shrek.
Is that Shrek?
Yeah.
Yes. Do you like Shrek?
Yes.
Sophia, did you have a big party yesterday?
Yes. I had a big party yesterday.
What did we do? Oh, you gonna put some lipstick on? What happened at your big party? Who was at your big party?
Lucky.
Lucky?
Yes.
Who else?
Daddy.
Daddy, yeah. Who else?
Sophia.
Yeah, you were there. Was Bella there?
Yes.
Who else?
We have the party.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Did you wear a pretty dress?
Yeah.
Where did you go after the party?
After the party, might say hi.
Oh, yeah?
After the party, say hi, Mom.
Did you go to Sacramento?
I go to Sacramento today.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Who's in Sacramento?
Daddy.
No.
That's Mace Boone.
Who did you play with last night?
Hey, that's Mace Boone.
Yeah?
Oh, eat yogurt at Mace Boone.
Did you play with Aiden and Delaney last night?
I go outside. I will go outside.
Okay, bye-bye.
I go outside.